lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the community. After hearing so much about this on YouTube all over, I got the Florabotanica Balenciaga Paris. This is a very highly praised perfume on YouTube. I heard so many people talk about this, so I got the big bottle. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce bottle, so I got the big size. I just am not crazy about this bottle design, by the way. I don't mean, what is that? I don't get it. But anyway, this is a gorgeous floral scent, you guys. Really beautiful, very pretty, great for the summertime, I would say. This is something very good for the summertime. Yeah, very pretty floral scent. Aromatic, floral, rosy. I can smell rose in here. A beautiful rose note, very aromatic, very like there are green notes to this perfume too. And apparently there's like a cannabis accord in this as well. Maybe that's why people are, no, I'm just kidding. This actually has a couple of very interesting notes. Like I believe this has mint on the top, so that's what like smells very fresh when you first spray it. There's carnation in this as a note. There are several floral notes. There's vetiver. So yeah, gorgeous summertime perfume. Love it. I'm glad I got it. So the next up is this one, Lolitaland by Lempicka. So this is what the box looks like. Kind of similar to the Florabotanica box, but just a little different. I mean, you have like a little bird, and there's like I think another bird and like butterflies. It's kind of a pretty packaging, and like a little bunny down here. It's a kind of a really cute packaging. So it comes in this bottle with this little protective cap like thing. So anyway, this is what the cap looks like. I'm not really sure this bottle is the best. Like it's kind of like a plastic, like kind of a figurine looking dough with wings. This perfume smells really good, you guys. I really like it. Very pretty smelling perfume. It's a very sweet vanilla balsamic fruity kind of fragrance. Oh yeah, I like the balsamic. I really do love the way it smells. I only sprayed it once on myself when it arrived. It has like Bellini, like really like sweet notes in there, and white florals and like citruses. So this has like lemon, orange, there's jasmine, magnolia. There's a blackcurrant note in here. It's a very complex fragrance. There's plum, there's rose, sandalwood. There's a couple of woody notes in there. There's vanilla. So it's like a very like complex fragrance. Keep spraying it in the cap, you guys. By the way, this has a terrible cap. Like you can actually accidentally spray this into the cap if you don't close it properly. Like you could keep like pressing this if you don't like fit it exactly right. So just be careful of that. Remember that. So Lolitaland by Lempicka. Next I have Girl of Now, Elisa. I actually already have, so this is what the packaging looks like. I actually thought I was buying this, and I apparently accidentally bought the Girl of Now Shine version, which I love as well, by the way. They both have that pistachio note. So I finally went ahead and got the actual Girl of Now, the original. This is what it is. So you guys know this is a almond pistachio fragrance, kind of balsamic. It's like a nutty, sweet, fruity perfume. You can definitely smell that almond and pistachio in there really well. So on the top, like I think it has like pistachio, pear. I think like there's a citrus note, like orange or something in the opening. There's obviously pear and pistachio, and it obviously has almond on the middle or base somewhere. It has some white florals like magnolia and orange blossom, and on the bottom it has like almond and tonka bean, and I think there's patchouli in it. So yeah, it is an amazing, long lasting perfume, and the projection is really amazing. This is one of my top top 10 perfumes right here. And then I got this Narciso Eau de Parfum by Narciso Rodriguez. So this is like the, you know, like the original, like the white bottle. There's a poudre version as well, I believe. This is a musky, woody, powdery, sophisticated scent. There's white florals in here as well, and it's like a very aromatic perfume. So on the top you have, I think, gardenia and rose. Has a lot of musk in it. There's like vetiver and other woodsy notes in this as well, but it's not that complex of a fragrance, but it smells very complex. Yeah, so I can definitely smell the rose in it and the gardenia, definitely. And I can smell the musk and the woody notes. Yeah, I can pretty much smell all the notes in here. I will list them somewhere on the screen. Yeah, I really like it. It's like a very musky perfume. I don't have very many musky type perfumes, so Narciso Rodriguez is known for the musky perfume, so I wanted to pick it up. And I do plan to get the poudre version and the rouge one at some point. And then I got this one right here by Haramain. This is Haramain Amber Oud. So this one is a total, I would say 90% or 95% dupe, above 95% dupe for Baccarat Rouge 540, mostly Extrait de Parfum. I think this is, you know, just, you know how the Extrait de Parfum is like red like this of the Baccarat Rouge 540. So this is actually about, this bottle is just like it, like red glass see-through, and this is really like a dupe for, I think, the Extrait de Parfum version than the Parfum or the Parfum. Yeah, this is such a dupe for the Extrait de Parfum, Baccarat Rouge Extrait de Parfum. I think it is also a dupe for the Baccarat Rouge 540 itself, but it just smells a little sweeter than the Baccarat Rouge 540. It's a little sweeter like the Extrait de Parfum and a little more intense. I also have the Amber Oud Gold version as well. That one smells amazing as well. So this has saffron in the opening, just like the Baccarat Rouge 540, and it has ambergris, like a little marine quality, salty quality, which but the Baccarat Rouge 540 has too. There's amberwood and floral notes in here. Next I have two, so I wanted to, so I'll show you them together actually. I'm going to take it out of the box. So I wanted to get the L'Homme de Merveilles and then ended up getting Eau de Merveilles. So I don't know. So this is what I wanted to get, L'Homme de Merveilles, but ended up getting Eau de Merveilles. So when I realized I ordered the wrong one, I ordered what I really wanted, but it was like only a smaller size was available where I was shopping. So this one, Eau de Merveilles, so let me, yeah, this one is so much more fresh than the Homme de Merveilles. The Homme de Merveilles version, yeah, this is the right one. This is the most sophisticated scent. By the way, these are by Hermes. The Homme de Merveilles is a balsamic, vanilla, woody, very interesting, intriguing scent. And this is the Eau de Parfum, by the way. Yeah, this is very sophisticated, very like, yeah, very balanced, sophisticated, woody, balsamic, vanilla scent. There's like a powdery quality to this, and there's like patchouli in here too. There's labdanum, amber, patchouli in here, and vanilla. So it's a very balsamic type perfume, which I really like. Whereas the Eau de Merveilles is the Hermes Eau de Merveilles. This is like more like a, I think this one is the Eau de Toilette that I got. Yeah, this one is just fresh, more like a summertime fresh scent that you can wear like to the gym, and you know, when you go out and about shopping, maybe if you want to feel fresh. It's very citrusy. There's, yeah, this is also balsamic, but this is very fresh citrusy scent, and it's very aromatic. I mean, it's not a bad one, but I really prefer the Homme de Merveilles over the Eau de Merveilles. So yeah. Next I have Dolce & Gabbana Perfume. I love this. This is such a comforting, cozy scent. So if I tend to wear this at nighttime because it makes me feel really like, wrapped and warm and cozy. And it's a kind of a marshmallowy scented perfume. It's such a gorgeous scent. By the way, this lasts really long. Yeah, it smells like marshmallows and vanilla. It's a very comforting scent. Very powdery, vanilla, white floral, fruity scent. So it has like neroli in the opening. There's raspberry and there's like orange, I think. I think there's jasmine and another white floral. It really has a marshmallow note on the base in this one. It's really, really cool. You can actually smell the marshmallow. Sandalwood, which is very comforting. Sandalwood is a very comforting note. Has, you know, really sandalwood and marshmallow together gives this really amazing cozy kind of scent. Cozy kind of feeling. Yeah, I just love Dolce & Gabbana Perfume, you guys. This is one of my favorite perfumes in my collection. And it lasts a long time, by the way. It's eau de parfum. Everything I talked about is eau de parfum. I tend to buy eau de parfum versions except for eau de Merveilles. I think that's eau de toilette, but everything else is in eau de parfum. So next up I have Kayali Deja Vu. This is a really gorgeous perfume, and I actually have another one from Kayali. I have the musk perfume, and I do plan to get the elixir at one point and the vanilla. Probably I've heard good things about both of those. So this is the Deja Vu White Flower 57. So this is exactly what it is. It's a white flower perfume. So there's like gardenia, jasmine, a bunch of white florals in here. So this has tuberose, jasmine, gardenia. I can also smell sandalwood in here too. I believe there's sandalwood. And there's a bunch of white florals in here. It's a white floral, balsamic, warm, spicy, tuberose kind of scent. So it has like pear and like nectarine, I believe. Like nectarine is like a very unique note that's in here on the top with like gardenia. And then I think there are more white florals in the middle. And there's sandalwood and vanilla on the base. Yeah, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous perfume. Don't you just love the bottle? It's like really, really cute. Very adorable and very classy and elegant. And this lasts on my skin a long time. Next I got a very interesting one. I've never heard of this house or gotten anything from it. This is the Molscium & Co. Paris Eau de Parfum in crystal gold. So the packaging is really, really fancy, by the way. I mean, look at that. Also the bottle. This bottle is, I think all of their perfume bottles look like champagne bottles, only like different colors, like rose gold and whatnot, silver and everything. So this is like the gold version. I was very intrigued just by the bottle of this. It looks very, very cute. And this is a gorgeous scent. This is very different from anything I've smelled before. This is like, has a very like a sophisticated shower gel smell, but not, don't get me wrong, it doesn't smell like your average everyday shower gel. It reminds me of Paris. Really gorgeous scent, really love it. So this has like lemon, bergamot, some citrus notes on the opening. There's actually coffee bean in here, believe it or not, in the opening apparently. This has like tuberose, sambac, jasmine, rose, black rose. It's like a whole bunch of florals. Very nice. This actually has cacao in it, so there's like a little gourmand twist to it on the base, I believe, and a bunch of woodsy notes. There's tonka bean and vanilla and musk, so it's a very complex fragrance. Gorgeous, gorgeous scent. I mean, really check this out, you guys. I don't know why nobody really talks about this perfume. This is amazing. So it's Molscium & Co. Crystal Gold. So I want to try other perfumes from this fragrance house, actually. This really piques my interest. Last but not least, I have 3 layered perfumes, Be Layered. And these are all clones for very expensive designer and niche perfumes. So the first one that I'm excited to, by the way, I'm really glad they updated their packaging. They used to have tassels that came off. Shout out to Layered, good job with the new packaging. The tassels don't come off anymore. It used to get all over my vanity when I ordered perfumes for them. So the first one I have is allegedly a dupe for Good Girl Gone Bad by Kilian. So this is my Sweet Dark Fantasy. By the way, I now have Good Girl Gone Bad, a decant of it. I'm going to get the full bottle later, but I gotta say, I don't think this is a very close dupe. It's definitely not a clone, I would say. This is not that close of a dupe for Good Girl Gone Bad. I would maybe say 60% dupe. Usually their dupes are very good. Their dupes are more like clones usually, but Good Girl Gone Bad has that very unique quality to it that this unfortunately doesn't have. But anyway, nonetheless, it's really gorgeous. Jasmine, Indian jasmine, May Rose, Narcissus, amber, a bunch of really nice notes. So the next I have another cologne. Supposedly this is a very close clone. This is a clone to Tom Ford Lost Cherry. This is Cherry Delight by Layered. So this one obviously has that cherry note right away on the top. Yeah, so apparently this is a very close dupe to Tom Ford Lost Cherry. So check this one out, you guys. It smells really good and lasts a long while. I sprayed it on the day it arrived and it lasted on me all day. And last one I have is Sweet Spirit. This is my favorite out of the three I just got. I have a lot of Layered fragrances. So this one is so vanilla. So this one is a dupe for Guerlain's Spiritueuse du Bleu. So just like the original, the Guerlain Spiritueuse du Bleu, this has a lot of vanilla. This is very vanilla heavy. Oh, I love vanilla perfumes. Spiritueuse du Bleu is one of the most, like the best vanilla perfumes out there. It has, vanilla, benzoin, incense, ylang ylang, yellow floral. There's pink pepper, Bulgarian rose, jasmine, I believe as well. I can smell all of it. The vanilla is very heavy because it's a vanilla perfume, duh. So yeah. So that's all, you guys. That's all the perfumes that I hauled in this haul. I think I might have to split this one into two as well. It got to be very long, even though I didn't go through all the notes. I'm smelling and appreciating them, just, enjoying talking to you guys about it. It's probably going to be very long, so I probably have to split it into two. I think I have over 20 perfumes here. One day very soon I'm going to do a perfume collection video. Stay tuned for that. But let me know if you guys like these kinds of fragrance videos, of fragrance hauls, fragrance reviews, fragrance collection videos. Let me know if you like them. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Otherwise, you won't get notifications when I upload. And it also kind of brings my videos up if you hit the notification bell. Sometimes if you don't really ever see it. So yeah, make sure to hit the notification bell. It's very important. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.